Alright, here is the backyard, sort of the finished product. Here, that's the rock. That's where my neighbor and I ended the trench and brought in another pipe from someone else's property into my drainage system here. You can see the perforated pipe is the one that's wrapped in the fabric, and it connects to a non-perforated pipe because it's so close to a bunch of tree roots right now. But we put the rock over the top, put some more rock for there, and then here's the pipe trench just runs on the underneath that mud, and this is where perforated pipe starts up again. You can see inside here it needs a little bit more gravel, but there's a little fabric on top of this thing here. So basically they dug the trench, put this kind of gravel down, put the pipe in, and then put gravel over the top of it. And again, it runs so close to the surface up here because it's sloping upwards right now because of the way that the ground is shaped. So you can see while it's muddy, it's nowhere near as wet as it was, and this was all like underwater previously. So it's working. It's just gonna take some time to dry the mud out. So it runs this way. This is one of the cut-ins that they did. This whole process here. You can even see some of the plants are recovering already too. So it's working. Just will take some time. But yeah, gotta get something back here to even out all this dirt back here too. But you can see here is where one of the major cut-ins were. You can see it's even still flowing a little bit. This area right here is still extremely wet on that side. On the far side of the trench, over on this side over here, it's much drier already. So the trench is working that way. But we're letting some of the cut in, and then it's going down through this way here. And the trench gets deeper and deeper here because it's starting to slope down. Now this, I had another part of one of my trees fall, so I'll have to come up here and work on that. So, but yeah, so this trench needs a little bit more rock put into it, and maybe that dirt probably dug out of it so the mud doesn't get on it. But you can see the pipe inside there, and it's covered underneath it's plastic as well, to sort of create like a double pipe. And then big river rock is put up here as well, probably more for aesthetic reasons than anything. Let's see if we can get through here. Okay, so this is down inside of our main property area now. And back there is where the old trench was. We've connected it fairly good. This way now. And I don't know if you remember from one of the other videos or not, but this area where Chelsea's walking right now used to have a river running down it as well. Since we've turned that pipe off, or cut it into the main system up on top up there, where my neighbor and I worked, this area here is much drier. There's no river coming here. But yeah, this is my backyard river that we have. And this ground is still squishy. Much squishier than up above, but there's less sun up here. And it was just so wet that it'll take a while for it to get out. But you can see how wide it gets over here. This is where you got them connect in this drain pipe or down pipe into it, and the other one way back by that door back there is already cut in as well. So, and this just continues out all the way down to the street. That way you can see it sort of ends a little bit. Let's see if I can shade it a little bit now. It, the river rock ends about where the garage is, and then we just covered the pipe back up again because it's not a perf pipe up there. It's really just a solid pipe, and it's actually not running much water right now, which is good because we haven't had rain in I think 4 days. So that means it's finally starting to drain out a little bit. But yeah, a little bit more work to do, but other than that, looks like it's pretty much done. We'll see you later, everybody. Bye.